Hello friends. After doing sign up in Champcache, it is very important to complete the challenge in Champcache. What is a challenge? Challenge is a bundle of 8 to 10 application you have to install in your mobile phone through which you can earn unlimited. If you don't install these apps, you can't go to a dashboard and you can't earn unlimited without doing so. So today I'm going to tell you how you can complete your challenge. As you do sign up, after that you will see this screen. Here you can listen a audio in Hindi and English version. If you want to listen an English version, just click on the English. If you want to listen the Hindi version, just you can play from here. After listening this audio, you can start installing and opening and registering these apps one by one. Now I'm going to tell you how you have to install these apps. Right now, if you count, then you will find that there are 10 applications to install this phone, and you can leave one application from it. Here you can see that 9 apps left in challenge. You can see this. So if there are 10 applications, you can leave any one application from the challenge. So let's start with Eros Now application and let's know how you can install it. Just click on install, and the next page which comes here, the instructions are written clearly. You have to install Eros app, open it for 2 minutes and search any movie. Register on this app is must, and don't uninstall before 5 days. You have to follow these instructions if you want to earn maximum in Champcache. If you don't follow these instructions, you will not earn in Champcache. As you see these instructions, you just click install and you will be redirected to Play Store. As you can see, you are redirected to Play Store and you have to install this application from here. Click on accept. Downloading will start. So if you find any type of message, error message like this, then it means that you have a very less storage in your phone. So you have to just uninstall some applications from your phone or just delete some videos from your phone and you can proceed further. Now I'm going to uninstall some apps from my phone. So guys, now I have installed some apps from my phone except from challenge, and now I am installing this Eros Now application. I will click on accept. Now downloading is going to start and you can see that downloading is going. Now friends, as your download completes, a pop-up automatically comes, and here instruction again, here all instruction again written. Suppose install this app, open this app, and you have to register in this app. As you click on proceed, the application of Eros Now will open. As you can see, application automatically opens, and here is a counter which came. Here is a counter of 3 minutes. It means that you have to open this application for at least 3 minutes. And in the Champcache application, there was written that you have to register in this app. So now you have to sign up in this app and you have to fill all the information, or you can sign up with Facebook. As your contest completes, automatically a pop-up again come, and you have to just click on that pop-up and you will be redirected to Champcache again. So friends, now I have successfully registered in this application, and now I am using this application. So I have to browse this application for one more minute. So let's browse. Friends, in the same way, all the application you have to do in the same way. You have to install them, you have to open them, you have to browse them for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that your challenge will be completed. So now countdown is going to end. Now a pop-up will automatically open. As I told you, this pop-up came automatically, and now I have to click on proceed. So friends, as you click on proceed button, you will be automatically redirected to Champcache again. Here you have to install the remaining applications, and you install this Eros Now application. You can see that done is written there. As you install all the apps, you will see done in all applications. Before that, before installing the apps, there were 9 applications left in challenge, and now I installed the Eros Now application, and now it is written 8 application. If you install all the application and register and open all the application one by one, then this countdown will be reduced one by one. As you complete your challenge, you install all the application, your challenge will be completed and you will be automatically redirected to your dashboard and the home page. In the dashboard you can see your earning, you can redeem your earning, and in the earn more you can earn more through installing the apps and completing some tasks. So guys, all the best and for your future. So just motivate your team to activate all the challenges. Thank you very much.